Hi everyone. Want to log in your CapCut without typing your email and password? In this video, I will show you how to sign in CapCut using a QR code quickly and easily. Step 1. Open CapCut on your phone. Now open the CapCut app on your phone. Make sure you are already logged in your CapCut account on your mobile device. Step 2. Find the QR scanner. In CapCut app, go to your profile section. Look for the QR scanner option and tap on it. Step 3. Scan the code. Use your phone to scan the QR code shown on your mobile screen. After scanning, confirm the login request on your phone. Step 4. You are logged in. That's it. Your CapCut account will automatically sign in on your mobile. All your projects, templates, and subscription will scan instantly. Important tips: make sure both devices have a stable internet connection. QR codes required quickly, so refresh the page if needed. Only scan QR code from the official CapCut website or Cap for security. And that's it. Now you know how to sign in CapCut using a QR code in seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more simple CapCut and teach tutorials.